Hello everyone, hope you all are going good. Today we are making beef burgers. So there are not a lot of ingredients that you have to add. Add salt as per your taste. It's half kg of mince and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add more if you want to. This is some butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, oregano, a dash of oregano, not a lot. If you want to add it, just add it, it's optional. So now is the thing that I have taken a bit of onion, like half of small onion, and I have sauteed it into the pan with oil and ginger garlic paste. So here I was trying to put some egg. One egg is to half kg. So if you want to add more into the quantity, just go by that. Now is the secret ingredient, that is curd. You have to add 4 teaspoon of curd into it to make it very soft and very juicy. So that's about it. Now mix the ingredients. Don't worry if the batter gets runny and you find the consistency to be really runny, but we have got it covered because we're going to add some more ingredients into it. For now, just mix it well so all the ingredients are infused into the beef. So after mixing it really well, you have to check if all the ingredients have been mixed, the butter and everything as you need. Now is the thing that you have to add cheese. You can add cheddar cheese or even mozzarella, just crush it and add it into the batter. So after adding that, you have to add breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to solve the problem of that runny batter, because you will not have that runniness into your batter anymore after adding breadcrumbs. So after getting it done, you have to keep it aside for like 15 to 20 minutes. And now take a patty maker. You can use it by hand as well. I had the patty maker, so I'm doing that. Just push it like that and just tap and take it out as a big giant patty. So next is another patty. You just have to follow the same procedure, put it, press it, and it's all done. So the batter was enough for 2 patties. There was a little bit of leftover, so I made one by my hands. So there are 3 patties. Now I have to put it into the fridge for merely 2 hours. Now after taking it out from the fridge, I have to put the patties into the pan. There's very little bit of oil that I've put. Rest of the grease is going to be the butter. So I'm going to add some butter into it because it adds aroma. It adds very good flavor into your patties and makes it even more juicier. So here I'm going to add some butter, and the butter is going to make it really good. So after adding the butter, you can add as much as you want. I'm adding 1 tablespoon, and after that I have to use the smash technique and just press it a bit to get all the juices into the pan so that they get infused into the patty. And the rest of the butter I'm going to put over the patty and turn it. So after turning it, because putting the leftover butter over it is just going to make it more juicier and flavorful. So I've turned it back, and here is the point when you have to put the lid on, because this is going to be the time when the patties will be done from inside. So you have to put the lid for good 5 minutes, and after the 5 minutes there will be a time when I'll put some cheese and I'll get back. So I've put some cheese over it and voila, it's look good. So after adding the cheese, it's almost done. Now I'm sauteing the buns, and I'm going to put the patty on to the buns and with the dash of chili garlic sauce. So after putting the patty, let's go for the final look. So here it is, the final look with the french fries, and this is very simple. No fancy ingredients, no fancy dressings, just simple basic beef burger with cheese and fries. So enjoy.